anyone of you ever thought why is bamboo famously called green gold? We all are vocal for local today, and bamboo is a socio-economic indicator, promotes sustainable consumption and production, is considered as important development resource, aiding in earning livelihoods for communities and accelerator of green economy. India has the highest areas under bamboo and is the second richest country after China. In terms of bamboo diversity, with around 136 species, despite this, India is net importer of bamboo, though the industry is worth 30,000 crores. Does it mean that there are greater opportunity towards value chain ecosystems? Bamboo is a versatile group of plant which is capable of providing ecological, economical livelihood security to the people. It is promotes food, feed, fiber, furniture. It is used as for promoting construction material, textile, food, consider good source of nutrition, herbal medicine, etc. In India, by freeing bamboo from considering it as a tree under Forest Act, its life has been renewed. There will be a boost in its cultivation. This is especially important from the potential of bamboo-based livelihoods and employment for rejuvenating the rural economy. Encouraging farmers adopt to bamboo-based agroforestry system will contribute to double their income, enhance their livelihoods, and given a boost to the national economy. Can bamboo be a savior for climate change, pollution and biodiversity? Yes. Bamboo is not just food for fauna ecosystem but a critical tool for restoration and important carbon sink. It is an important mitigation measure to absorb carbon emissions, and its impact can be felt within just a decade. Grown on extremely degraded lands, bamboo has the potential to reduce ambient temperatures while improving drainage, improves soil structure, reducing flooding. Given that roughly 80% of the plastic ends up in the sea, posing in risk to our marine litter ecosystem with huge amount of wastage, bamboo shows us as an alternative in the bid to battle plastic pollution. State like Sikkim has introduced bamboo bottles for tourists as a biodegradable product. It presents a unique solution to replace plastic paper and polyester that allow us to continue to grow, develop and yes, consume in a responsible way. Don't you think that this boon of the Northeast region should be replicated for the entire country? Along with the precipitation, temperature and altitudinal variations play significant role towards the diversity, richness of bamboo. Warm temperature, tropical climate offer optimum condition for most bamboo species. Bamboo farming mostly grown in Northeast due to its climatic condition. It is already changing the rural economy. And our Prime Minister Mr. Modi has rightly called bamboo as an indigenous asset of this region. Here, we have ever imagined that tallest grass on the earth could be the cheapest immunity booster? Well, the state of Tripura has proved it, right? Bamboo shoots have shown to improve immunity during COVID, and it's also better the diabetes. We welcome the programs run by National Bamboo Mission, which is working on various endeavors like enhancing its yield, developing techniques to blend traditional wisdom and scientific know-how, promoting bioenergy, handicrafts and so on. Recently, the donor ministry has called to set up bamboo skill center to propel the industry with new startups and also enhance livelihood opportunities around 23 states are implementing the bamboo mission as appropriate to each region, keeping in view their specific agro-climatic socio-economic conditions. Bamboo-based agroforestry systems should be promoted by every state and according to climate sustainability. Friends, by pushing everyone towards Go Green, raising global awareness on the use of bamboo and their positive impact, we are creating long-lasting environmental change and opportunity for Atmanirbhar Bharat. So let's call the bamboo and move towards building forward and better. If we think the green gold is especially, then why not invest enough? Thank you very much.